The FT error code on your Danby Portable Air Conditioner indicates that the water tank is full and needs to be emptied. This error typically occurs when the unit is operating in air conditioning or dehumidifying modes. Here are the immediate steps to resolve the FT error and get your air conditioner running again. Step 1. Turn off and unplug the air conditioner completely. This is essential for safety before handling any drainage components. Step 2. Locate the drain plug, which is usually found at the bottom or back of the unit. Here you can see what a typical drain plug looks like. Step 3. Carefully move the unit to a suitable draining location, such as near a sink, floor drain, or outside where water can safely drain away. Step 4. Remove the drain plug and allow all water to drain completely. This diagram shows the proper drainage process and plug removal. Step 5. Securely replace the drain plug to ensure a proper seal, then restart your air conditioner. The unit should now operate normally without the FT error. Important note: if the FT error continues to appear even after proper draining, this may indicate a faulty sensor or other internal issue. In this case, contact Danby customer service or a qualified technician for professional assistance. To prevent future FT errors, the most effective solution is setting up continuous drainage. This eliminates the need for manual water tank emptying. Attach a 5/8" inner diameter hose to the drain outlet. The hose must slope downwards to ensure proper water flow through gravity. Regular maintenance is crucial for preventing water buildup issues. This includes cleaning filters and internal components. Clean air filters monthly using a soft brush or vacuum. Wash with mild detergent if heavily soiled, then dry completely before reinstalling. Also, clean the evaporator and condenser coils quarterly to prevent dust buildup that can impair drainage and cooling efficiency. If the FT error persists even after proper draining and maintenance, this may indicate a manufacturing defect or sensor malfunction. Check for faulty water level sensors, damaged drain components, or internal blockages. These issues typically require professional diagnosis. For units still under warranty, contact Danby customer service for replacement or repair. For older units, consult a qualified HVC technician. Future portable air conditioner models may incorporate smart sensors and improved drainage systems to prevent false FT errors and optimize water management automatically.